Thanks to everyone for coming out for our follow-up sessions for Imagine 77, seeing what we're going to do with the United Methodist Children's Home with our master plan. It was fun to see people come and take the 1,000 or so initial ideas, talk about those, whittle them down, and give those comments to our planners so that then they can come together and bring us something in a couple of months.
From here, our consultant team will be taking all of the ideas that were generated at our kickoff meeting, as well as at the 3 different workshops that we had, and then they will be producing a draft master plan that they will then present back to the community on April 30th. We hope that you will be able to join us.